My man, my bro. Coffee or stalls, brother.
Hello, mate. A little bit up the shoulder.
Spinneroonie.
Oh, kia ora te whānau. Eli Smith taku ingoa. You may have seen me on the previous hiding road to Waitangi. And as you've probably noticed, I'm a co-host short this round. My friend Snowy, I think we left him up in Okiato Bay in the well. But anyway, here we are again on the second part of our hidinga. And we're just going to pull up to an area to see if I can find a new co-host to come along with me on this hidinga. So come along, enjoy the hidinga. Hopefully we can find someone. Cheers, brother.
Hey, cheers, my bro. I left there now, what's going on?
Well, anyway, bro, seeing as though you're here, keen to come on this trip to reveal some more of these sheets. We're looking at heading over to Awhitu, then down to Port Waikato, and then through to Kawhia. But I'm looking for a hoa haere māku. You keen?
Well, I got the wrong gear, bro, and nothing's happening out here, so yeah, why not? I'll be keen, bro.
That's us, my bro.
Grab my new fish.
Te puaha o Waikato, brother.
Beautiful.